Welcome to English Trials.
Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Ryan, and if this is your first time here, welcome to the family. On this channel, I help English learners just like you. Learners who understand words on paper, but feel nervous when a real person speaks fast. Today's topic is very important: how to improve your English listening skills. I will teach you 6 simple steps. Do these steps every single day, and your ears will slowly learn to catch English, even fast English. Ready? Let's start with step number 1. Step 1. Start with easy, slow content. This is very important, so listen carefully. Many beginners make a big mistake. They watch a Hollywood movie on day 1. The actors speak fast, they use slang, and after 5 minutes, the learner feels tired, confused, and gives up. Don't do this to yourself. Instead, start with content that is made for learners. This content is slow. The words are simple, and you will actually understand what you hear. Some good examples: podcasts made for English learners, YouTube channels that teach English, simple news programs that speak slowly and clearly. Think of it like learning to swim. You don't jump into the deep ocean on day 1. You start in a small, calm pool. Then, slowly, you go deeper. So today, find one easy podcast or one easy YouTube video made for beginners. Start there. Not with fast movies. Not yet. Step 2. Listen actively, not passively. What does this mean? Passive listening is when English plays in the background while you cook or clean or scroll your phone. Your ears hear it, but your brain is not really listening. Active listening is different. You sit down, you focus, you give your full attention, just like you are having a real conversation with a friend. Here is a simple method. I call it the 3-step listen method. First, listen to a short audio without subtitles. Just listen. Don't worry if you miss some words. Second, listen again, this time with subtitles. Now you can see the words you missed. Third, listen one more time without subtitles. You will be surprised. This time you understand so much more. Do this for just 15 to 20 minutes a day. Not 2 hours, just 15 to 20 minutes with full focus. This is more powerful than watching TV for 3 hours with a lazy brain. Small daily practice, big daily focus. That is the secret.
Step 3. Shadowing. This word sounds strange, but the idea is simple and very powerful. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence, you pause, and then you say the same sentence out loud. You copy the speaker's words, their rhythm, and their music. The up and down sound of their voice. Why does this help your listening? Great question. When you copy the sound of English, your ears and your mouth start to connect. Your brain learns to recognize sounds faster because now your mouth is making those same sounds too. Here's how to do it. Pick a short video, maybe 1 minute long. Play one sentence, pause. Repeat the sentence out loud, just like an actor. Then play the next sentence and do it again. Do this with the same short video for a few days. At first, it feels strange. That's normal. But after some practice, you will notice something amazing. Real English speakers, they don't sound so fast anymore. Shadowing is one of my favorite secret tools. Try it today, even for just 5 minutes.
Step 4. Increase the difficulty slowly. Remember the swimming pool idea from step 1? Now it's time to go a little deeper, but slowly, not all at once. Here is a simple path you can follow, week by week. Week 1 and 2, learner podcasts and slow, simple videos. Week 3 and 4, children's cartoons and shows. Yes, cartoons. They use simple words and clear voices, perfect for training your ear. Month 2, TV series for teenagers or adults, but with English subtitles. Month 3, real podcasts and news, at normal speed. Month 4 and beyond, movies without subtitles. Notice something? This is a slow, gentle path. You are not jumping into hard content on day 1. You are climbing a ladder, one step at a time. If you try something and it feels too hard, that's okay. Just go back one step. There is no shame in that. Even strong swimmers sometimes go back to shallow water to rest.
Step 5. Use subtitles the smart way. Subtitles can be your best friend, or they can slow down your progress. It depends on how you use them. Here is the golden rule. Always use English subtitles. Never use subtitles in your own language. Why? Because when you read subtitles in your own language, your brain translates everything. This is slow, and it doesn't train your English ear. But when you read English subtitles, your brain connects the sound directly to the English word. This is much more powerful. Here's a simple test you can use. Watch a video with English subtitles. If it feels easy and clear, good. Keep watching that level. But once a video feels too easy, turn the subtitles off. Try watching without them. This is how you know you're ready for the next step. So remember, English subtitles first, then no subtitles. Never subtitles in your first language. Step 6, and the final step, review new words every day. While you listen, you will hear new words you don't know yet. This is normal, even for advanced learners. Here's what to do. Keep a small notebook or use a notes app on your phone. Every time you hear a new word, write it down. Don't stop your video to look it up right away. Just write the word quickly and keep listening. Later, after you finish listening, look up those words. Learn what they mean. But here's the real secret. Review those words again the next day, and again a few days later. This is called spaced repetition, and it helps your brain remember words for a long, long time, not just for 1 hour. Without review, you learn a word today and forget it tomorrow. With review, that word becomes yours forever. So, write it down, look it up, review it. That's the simple formula. Okay, let's do a quick, fast review of all 6 steps. Number 1, start with easy, slow content, not hard movies. Number 2, listen actively using the 3-step method. Number 3, shadow what you hear. Repeat sentences out loud. Number 4, increase difficulty slowly, step by step. Number 5, use English subtitles, not your own language, not your own translation. Number 6, review new words every single day. 6 simple steps. But remember, the real secret is not the steps themselves. The real secret is doing them every day. Even 15 minutes a day, done every day, is more powerful than 3 hours, done once a week. If this video helped you today, please hit that like button. It really helps this channel grow, and it helps more learners like you find this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because next week I will show you the best free podcasts and YouTube channels for beginners, the exact ones I recommend to my own students. Write in the comments, which step will you start today? I read every comment and I will reply to you personally. My name's Ryan. Keep practicing, keep listening, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.